Hey everyone, it's Gianna at Convincing Crypto, where we keep you in a loop on all the latest trends and news on crypto and blockchain technology. Today, I have some super duper exciting news for the Cardano community. As always though, this video is not an endorsement for any project on Cardano in any way. Please do your own research before investing in anything. Alright, let's dive into the news today. Here's the tweet. Frederick Gregard, the CEO of the Cardano Foundation, tweeted, "How many people get to say they've collaborated with NASA? As of yesterday, when I contributed to an on-site blockchain education workshop for the Cardano Foundation at NASA Goddard Center, I'm proud to say I'm one of them." A commitment to pushing the boundaries of technology for the greater good is something both NASA and the Foundation both have in common. It was an honor to be able to share some of the Foundation's blockchain knowledge with these brilliant minds. My sincere thank you to the NASA team for hosting us and for a wonderful reception and experience. Let's keep exploring what is possible. NASA Goddard Space Flight Center is in Maryland. You can check out some photos here. We have Frederick Gregard with the Apollo 11 statue, with a team at NASA presenting a presentation, and at the Building 21 Library for the Icon Hub blockchain workshop. So I want to congratulate the Cardano community for this amazing opportunity. This collaboration is huge. This means that major institutions like NASA really believe in Cardano. They see it as a legitimate blockchain, and they really trust people like Frederick. I'm curious to hear your thoughts though. Do you think this is bullish too for Cardano? And who else should Cardano partner with? Let me know your thoughts. And as always, if you see any crypto scams in the comments or in the ads, please report them. There's so many fake airdrops, fake giveaways, and people pretending to be financial advisors, and we've got to make sure everybody in the crypto community remains safe. That's it for us today. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment your thoughts. Feel free to share this with your friends who love this content, and I'll see you next time, everyone. Bye!